Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device actually supports live lock screen wallpapers. That avoids wasted steps. Once done, check OS version and update if needed, because new features require current software. Next, prepare the live clip or live photo you want to use, and make sure it's in the format the wallpaper tool accepts. Finally, open the Wallpaper app and grant camera, photos, and any necessary permissions so the app can access and install the live content. You now create and apply the live wallpaper. First, import the clip, then trim and loop it so the motion feels natural. Too long drains battery, too short looks choppy. Once trimmed, adjust resolution and crop to match your screen aspect ratio, 16:9 or device native. This keeps motion centered. Then choose the playback trigger, such as tap or long press, and preview. After you're satisfied, export or choose Set as Lock Screen Wallpaper and apply the change to finalize installation. You finish by locking the device and testing the trigger to confirm the live wallpaper plays correctly. Watch for stutter or excessive battery use. If playback fails, make sure the app still has permission to access photos and that the file format matches what the app accepts. Also verify your OS supports live lock screen motion. If problems persist, restart your device, and as a last resort, reinstall the Wallpaper app. This often clears cache issues and restores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.